Welcome to the Xstream music player, bringing music to your ears. The website was designed and built by 3 MSc Financial Computing students over an 8-week period using the WAMP Server 2.1, which incorporates PHP, MySQL, and the Apache server. We coded using HTML, CSS, and we threw in a little bit of JavaScript as well to add some nice effects.
Okay, now let me show you the home page. There's a login field on the top right corner, which will allow users to log in to their personal collection with their email and password. There's a search field and browse genre, allow users to search for the tracks according to the track's name, artist name, album name, or genres. You can also browse the tracks with different genres here. The homepage will also show the most popular albums and also the most popular songs. If you click one of the albums, it will bring you to the album page, which will include a list of the tracks, the year released, and also the artist name. The most popular songs are sortable by any field on the top.
Now I'm going to show you how to create an account. So you press the Create Account tab on the top, and you'll see the Create Account form. If I try and submit the form without entering any details, the system will tell me there's been an error and that I must enter my first name. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my first name, Mathew, my second name, Spencer. I'm going to enter my correct email here because we've installed some process which will enable the server to check whether your email is valid or not. Now I'm going to enter my password, which as you can see must be greater than 4 characters but no more than 8. These passwords are encrypted using the PHP MD5 function. So now I'm going to create the account. The system will tell me the new account has been created and automatically refresh to the home page, at which point I can enter my details here. Now if I try to submit without entering a password, the system would tell me that I must enter my password to log in, and then automatically refresh me to the home page again. So I'm going to enter my password, my email, sorry, and then followed by my correct password. Press the login button, and as you can see, I've been logged in and the page has been personalized. Welcome Mathew, and also the shopping cart has appeared.
Now let me add some songs into the personal collection. I'm gonna use the search music field. If I choose artist here and type in I will and click go, the home page will show a list of tracks with the artist I will. If I click add to cart, you can see there's one item in my shopping cart now. Okay, let me check out. If I click buy, it will say the song has been added to the music collection.
So now you can see the song has been added to the music collection. Now we're going to go ahead and create a playlist. So the playlist is personalized, and you create them using the new playlist box. PL1 is the name. We'll press go, and the system will tell me that PL1 has been created successfully. I'll return to my music collection. Now show playlist box, select PL1, press go, and you can see that there's nothing currently in the PL1. So I'm going to add a track to the playlist 1. As we only have bought one track, the Avril Lavigne track, I'm going to add that to the playlist 1. And then return to view playlist, where you can see it has been added to PL1. If I press play, it will bring up the music player here, which is just loading for a second. Now I'm just going to press play here. And as you can hear, the music is now playing. I'll just leave that for your enjoyment for 1 second. Okay, now I'm going to press pause. So now, the next thing that you can do is view your profile, which is in the Logout tab at the top. As you can see, my first name, last name, and email address have been displayed for me. If I want to change any of my details, I can click on one of these. Change details will allow me to change my first name, my second name, or my email address. And change password will allow me to change my to a new password. I'm going to do that for you right now, just to show you. If the passwords don't match, the system will have an error telling me they don't match and I need to re-enter my details, automatically refreshing me to my view profile page. So I'm going to go ahead and change it properly this time, entering the correct matching passwords, change the password, and the alter password has been successful. I'm automatically redirected back to the home page, at which point I'll show you how to log out. All you need to do is press the logout button, and as you can see, I am now welcome guest, so the session has been destroyed and I'm no longer logged in. There is one last feature to show you, which is the help desk. This just has useful information about creating accounts, logging in, and several of the password restrictions. For instance, the 10 most common passwords have been disallowed, which include QWERTY, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and ABCDEFG. So that's just done for security of our own users. I hope you enjoyed the Xstream music experience, and that's goodbye from me, and
By me.
goodbye, guys.
Bye.
Okay.